We found a legend buried under the city's concrete.
Nature hasn't been kind, but the soul is still there.
6 months. That's all we have to bring Optimus back to life.
Every inch of this red paint is screaming for a second chance.
The cabin was in a truly dreadful state.
It's a disaster zone inside, but the structure is solid. First step, getting this beast out of the mud. The winch strained under the immense weight.
She's fighting us, but she's moving.
People are staring, they see junk, we see a masterpiece.
To build it up, we have to strip it down to the bone.
Interior is gutted. We're starting from zero.
Draining the lifeblood. Everything will be replaced.
The skeleton of a giant. It's beautiful in its own way.
Layers of grease and bird droppings, gone. Getting down to the raw steel. No shortcuts.
Chemicals and elbow grease, the only way.
Clean enough to eat off, ready for the rebuild.
Precision is everything in a 15-liter engine.
This is the heart. If this doesn't beat, the truck doesn't live. With the blower, Ava moves to the cylinder heads.
Ensuring every size. With the new turbo installed, the team was confident.
A little extra boost for our Prime.
A fresh coat for the powerhouse.
The heart is back in the chest.
She's alive! Hear that roar!
Smoothing out the scars of 20 years.
Making it laser straight. Preparation is 90% of the job.
No more holes. This cabin is going to be a vault.
Fusing the old with the new.
This isn't just red, it's victory red.
Laying down the color, watch it transform.
Depth and shine, just like a mirror. The clear coat is applied meticulously.
The clear coat brings the pop. This is where the magic happens.
Perfect lines. She's glowing. Now that's a chin. Pure Optimus style.
Every monster needs to breathe. Let's get these pipes on.
Comfort meets high tech. The cockpit is ready.
The jewelry. The finishing touches. What is that? 6 months of blood, sweat, and gears. It all leads to this.
From a rusted river wreck to the king of the road.
Optimus Prime is reborn. This is the ultimate restoration.